Hi there, students. Kink and kinky. A kink, a countable noun. Kinky, an adjective. I guess kinkily, the adverb, and kinkiness, the noun of the quality. Okay, a kink is a sudden bend, particularly in something like a wire or a rope. It's a bend in something that is normally straight. So there was a little kink in the road, a sudden sharp bend or a sudden sharp turn. Yeah, there was a kink in the piece of wire that I needed to straighten it out. Yeah, so if something's kinked, it doesn't hang straight down. It's got a curve to it. Very often they use this word a kink to talk about, to get the kinks out of your hair, to stop your hair being so curly. Yeah, it can be difficult to get the kinks out of your hair. You could have a kink in your neck or a kink in a muscle. So it's a sore place. Yeah, it's probably due to tension. I've got a kink in my back here. Yeah, could you give me a massage? Okay, so a kink, yeah? Or you get a kink in your neck from sleeping in a bad position. And then you can have a kink in a system, something that's wrong. Yeah, we need to iron the kinks out of the system to get the problems out of it. Yeah, he needs to resolve one or two of the kinks in his game. Okay. Okay, so the new system has kinks that need to be resolved. So it's something that suddenly doesn't go straight, and that's the idea of it. And then finally, a kink could be a strange habit, normally about sex. But I think this leads us more to the word kinky, or the adjective kinkily. And kinky talks about strange, unusual, and maybe exciting, it depends, sexual acts, kinky behaviour, kinky ideas. So I don't know, what is kinky to one person may be completely normal to another. Okay, so kinky, a special characteristic, yeah, of unconventional sex, unconventional tastes. Kinky also could be referred to as sexually deviant. It depends how you look at it. Yeah. So she was wearing kinky boots. Kinky boots, I think, are supposed to be black leather with sharp heels and pointed toes, and they're supposed to look provocative and sexy. So you describe a sexual practice as kinky. It's unusual and would probably be considered strange by most people, but, well, whatever turns you on. I believe the Prime Minister has been engaged in some rather kinky activities recently. So kinky, perverted, warped, yeah, something that might upset most people. And I guess kinky as well, though full of kinks. So this piece of wire is kinky. We need to get the kinks out of this piece of wire. So, a kink, a not straight bit in something, a kink in your back, ouch. A flaw or a difficulty. There are various kinks in the operation. Yeah, a quirk, a peculiarity, normally a deviant peculiarity in sex. And then kinky, unconventional sexual preferences, yeah, like fetishism or sadomasochism or other things like that. Okay, so kink, a kink, 5 informality, use anywhere. Kinky. 4.5 informality, use anywhere except in something very very formal. And then as to origin, okay, this word comes from Dutch kinken, yeah, which means a kink, yeah, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic kinkona, to laugh, Proto-Indo-European gang, to mock or to jeer. So a kink, yeah. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Kink Kinky.